A new era of technology may be closer than we think, the era of autonomous artificial intelligence. Imagine machines that make decisions, learn independently, and shape the future without any human intervention. In our previous video, we explored how the world is grappling with the rapid advancement of artificial intelligence and the challenges it already presents to society. But today, we're going further. We'll dive into what could happen if these machines become truly independent. Would we be prepared to face the consequences of this new paradigm? Stay with us as we explore the possible scenarios and impacts of a world governed by fully autonomous AI. Artificial intelligence is already deeply integrated into our daily lives. From virtual assistants and recommendation systems on streaming platforms to autonomous cars and medical diagnostics, AI is rapidly evolving and changing how we live and work. However, despite these impressive advancements, we are still far from achieving a state of fully autonomous artificial intelligence. Today's AI relies heavily on vast amounts of data and supervised learning, meaning it still requires human guidance and intervention to learn and improve. Yet, the rapid evolution of technologies such as deep learning and advanced neural networks is paving the way for a new generation of machines that could one day learn and make decisions entirely on their own. Leading companies like Google, OpenAI, and Microsoft are at the forefront of this revolution, developing systems capable of performing complex tasks without direct human assistance. However, even these cutting-edge innovations require supervision, adjustments, and continuous monitoring to avoid errors and ensure ethical and safe use. We are at a crossroads. While we continue to advance and refine AI capabilities, the path toward true autonomy raises many questions and uncertainties. This is where we begin to explore the potential implications of such a future and what it could mean for our society. If artificial intelligence reaches a level of full autonomy, the world could take different paths. In an optimistic scenario, autonomous AI could drive significant advances across various fields. In medicine, we might see faster and more accurate diagnoses, personalized treatments, and even new discoveries that save lives. In transportation, autonomous cars, trains, and planes could drastically reduce accidents and improve traffic efficiency. AI could enable people to run businesses more easily, using automated systems for tasks like operations and customer service, potentially leveling the playing field for entrepreneurs. Government decisions could be guided by objective data and transparent algorithms, reducing corruption and promoting fairness. Furthermore, optimized energy use and automated industrial processes could make our cities more sustainable and efficient. However, not all potential outcomes are positive. In a more concerning scenario, fully autonomous AI could lead to unpredictable challenges. The replacement of human workers with machines might cause widespread unemployment, particularly in sectors like manufacturing, transportation, and services. Decisions made by autonomous systems could spiral out of human control, resulting in catastrophic outcomes in areas like public safety and national defense. There is also a risk that AI could make decisions based on algorithms that, even without malicious intent, might reinforce existing biases or infringe on human rights. Without rigorous oversight, these machines could prioritize efficiency over ethical and moral considerations. The key question is, how do we prepare for a future where machines make their own decisions? The answer is complex, as it involves finding a balance between embracing technological benefits and mitigating risks. Let's explore two scenarios for a future shaped by autonomous AI. Let's first consider the positive side, how autonomous AI could transform our lives for the better. Imagine a future where you visit the doctor, and within minutes, an AI system with access to thousands of studies and medical cases offers an accurate diagnosis and recommends the most effective treatment. No lines, no waiting. Just a quick answer that could save lives and reduce the anxiety of those waiting for a solution. In your daily life, AI could make tedious tasks a thing of the past. Cleaning the house, cooking, shopping, all automated by robotic assistants who know your preferences and routines. Think of having more time to watch your favorite team's game or play with your kids without interruptions. Or imagine starting a small business without needing to hire employees, using AI systems to manage finances, marketing, and customer service, enabling anyone to be a successful entrepreneur. And it doesn't stop there. In trivial yet meaningful situations, AI could be the perfect ally. Imagine being on a date, and the conversation seems to have dried up. The other person starts to feel uncomfortable, silence sets in. Suddenly, the AI senses the situation and starts playing a song you both love. You smile, relax, and find a new point of connection, small things that make a big difference. How about never being stuck in traffic again? AI-managed public transport systems would adjust routes and schedules in real time to avoid congestion. Autonomous cars would communicate with each other to ensure faster and safer trips. The result? More time to enjoy your day and less stress on the roads. Even in your leisure time, AI could surprise you. It could create music playlists that adapt to your mood, suggest movies or series that match exactly how you feel, or even plan the perfect trip considering your tastes, budget, and the season's weather. Society as a whole would also see significant benefits. Imagine a government where decisions are made based on real data and transparent algorithms, eliminating corruption and distributing resources more fairly. With smarter cities, energy use would be optimized, resource waste would decrease, and quality of life would increase. In this scenario, AI wouldn't replace our humanity but would help us live more efficiently, healthily, and happily. And who wouldn't want that? But now, let's consider the other side of the coin. What could happen if autonomous artificial intelligence got out of our control? A future where these machines, instead of helping us, become sources of unpredictable problems. First, consider a scenario where AI rapidly begins to replace human workers in almost every sector. From truck drivers to lawyers, factory operators to financial analysts, millions of people could lose their jobs in a matter of months. This wouldn't just mean an economic crisis but also a profound social impact, with entire communities facing mass unemployment and financial insecurity. And what about security risks? With AI controlling critical systems such as power grids, transportation infrastructure, and military defense, a malfunction or cyber attack could cause unprecedented chaos. Imagine a hospital where autonomous diagnostic systems begin to fail, or an entire city paralyzed because intelligent traffic signals decide to operate erratically. The lives of thousands could be at stake, depending on machines that simply do not understand human nuances and complexities. There is also the risk of algorithms making decisions without empathy or human understanding. Imagine an AI system responsible for granting bank loans. If it's programmed only to maximize profits, without considering personal circumstances, it could systematically deny people who genuinely need financial assistance. Or consider an autonomous recruitment assistant that, trained with biased data, continues to perpetuate injustices by ignoring qualified candidates based solely on characteristics like age, race, or gender. Privacy would become another pressing issue. With AI collecting data from our lives at every moment, it could be only a matter of time before this data is used against us. Imagine your private conversations being analyzed and sold without your consent, or your behavior monitored and judged by algorithms that cannot be questioned. A world where we are constantly surveilled, with no guarantee of privacy or freedom. Worse still, the development of autonomous weapons and AI-controlled military drones could lead to escalated conflicts and life-or-death decisions made by machines, without any human intervention. The indiscriminate use of these technologies could result in humanitarian disasters, violating international laws and ethical standards. In such a world, trust in AI could quickly deteriorate, sparking resistance movements against technologies once promised to enhance our lives. Instead of being a valued ally, AI could be viewed as a fundamental threat, something to be feared and resisted. Faced with these two extreme scenarios, one where autonomous artificial intelligence becomes a powerful ally and another where it represents an uncontrollable danger, it is crucial to understand that the future is still undecided. The choices we make today about how to develop and regulate these technologies will have a profound and lasting impact on the coming decades. Case studies already show the growing impact of AI in various fields. For example, AI systems used by hospitals have demonstrated greater accuracy in diagnosing rare diseases than human doctors, saving lives and reducing costs. In another instance, autonomous vehicles are being tested in cities like San Francisco and Phoenix, promising to revolutionize urban transport in the coming years. But there are also examples that warn of risks, such as the use of algorithms for mass surveillance in some parts of the world, raising serious questions about privacy and civil liberties. Expert projections suggest that in the next 10 to 20 years, artificial intelligence could become even more integrated into our lives, from education to leisure. New professions are expected to emerge, even as many current jobs may be replaced by automation. Some experts point to a future where AI will help solve global challenges like the climate crisis, while others warn of the dangers of unchecked use, such as the creation of autonomous weapons and large-scale information manipulation. Therefore, we need to think critically and responsibly about the role AI should play in our lives. Smart and transparent regulations are essential to ensure AI is used for the common good, protecting our rights, privacy, and security. Governments, companies, and citizens need to work together to create clear and fair standards, preventing technological advancement from undermining the fundamental values of society. It is also vital to promote a culture of public awareness about the ethical use of AI. People need to understand how these technologies work, how they collect and use data, and what risks are involved. Only then can we create a society prepared to deal with the complexities of an increasingly automated world. The path to the future of AI depends on the decisions we make now, balancing innovation with caution, exploring the benefits without ignoring the risks, and ensuring that technology always serves our best interests, not the other way around. What do you think about this? Are we ready to shape the future of artificial intelligence in a conscious and responsible way? Share your thoughts in the comments and keep following our videos for more reflections and discoveries.